City Police is second largest unit of Maharashtra Police. We have 710 officers and 8,426 constabulary. That is total strength of Thane City Police is 9,196. In jurisdiction of Thane City Police Commissionerate, there are 4 municipal corporations: Thane Municipal Corporation, Bhiwandi Nizampuram Municipal Corporation, Kalyan Dombivli Corporation, and Ulhasnagar Corporation. As well as there are 2 municipalities and some rural area is also there. There are 32 Gram Panchayats in Thane City Police Commissionerate. I will try to finish my presentation within 10 minutes. Sadarakshanaaya Khalanigrahanaya is motto of Maharashtra Police. It means to protect the truth and to control or to annihilate the evil. In pandemic situation, coronavirus was the evil for Maharashtra Police. It was important to protect the cops from COVID-19 and maintain their physical and mental health. For this, we have formed HRD COVID cell for Thane City. I have given some statistics. There are total 2,184 positive cops in pandemic. In first wave, there were 1,733 cops were positive. While in second wave, there were only 342. If we see their severity, we will observe oxygen support in first wave, there were 64 patients. In second wave, only 8 patients were on oxygen support. While ICU treatment was taken by 109 cops in first wave and only 7 in second wave. Death, there are total 36 deaths, but we are I have given graphical representation also. The first wave is clearly seen in Thane City Police from April 2020 to December 2020. In first wave, 33 cops lost their lives, and in second wave, only 1 cop died due to COVID-19. Actually, it was associated with sudden paralytic attack also. I have given graphical representation here. In COVID-19 positive cases, the graph which can be easily observed or this can easily be seen, the second waves from April to December. There is first wave and second wave started from March to May. Now only 6 patients are there, and COVID situation is in control in second wave. For this purpose, we have formed HRD, Human Resource Development COVID-19 cell. We all were observing and we were trying for controlling the epidemic. Cops on oxygen support, this graphical representation also we can see. In September 2020, there were highest oxygen support cops were there, 28 number was there. In second wave, highest number was in April and May, it was 3 in each month. If we see the ICU situation, in September 2020, there were 25 cops who needed ICU. In second wave, ICU was needed only by 7 men in April 2021. In March and in May as well as in June, there is no cop who needed ICU. The number of deceased cops due to COVID-19, it is highest in June 2020, and in earlier stage, in first stage, as I have mentioned, there were 33 cops who lost their lives, and in second wave, only 1 died due to COVID-19. What measures we have taken to prevent the COVID-19 spread, I have given there. Actually, simple and important thing is there. From Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as well as Government of Maharashtra Health Department or DGP office, and given so many instructions and given so many circulars. Number 1, HRD cell of Thane City translated all the circulars regarding precautions to avoid COVID-19 infection in Marathi, and it is circulated to all our staff during the conversation, during online meetings, as well as through broadcasting the messages. We have given those instructions and tried to implement those instructions. In charge of all police stations and branches were instructed to keep close watch on health of their staff. If any symptom of COVID-19 is found, then they must be immediately tested and treated It was our basic instruction, which was followed thoroughly. In charge of all police station and branches were directed to grant special COVID-19 leave to the cops above 45 years and to depute them the duty where they have very less public contact. The duty of guard duty or treasury guard or some amaldars like in HQ, they have very less public contact. We have deputed 55 plus age group cops for these duties. Disinfection process we have done regularly using phenyl, sodium hypochlorite and Lysol. We have ensured disinfection of offices and vehicles. 2 training sessions we have arranged in early stage of COVID-19 pandemic, in which police officers and men were instructed how to work in pandemic. The COVID appropriate behavior was told to them, and we have ensured that all should follow that SOP which is given by Thane City Police. And we have also given the instructions what should be done by the cops as well as the family members. Random checking we have carried out on daily basis in Thane Police with the help of NGOs. Asymptomatic patients, it was important thing, symptomatic patients were easy to treat or diagnose, but asymptomatic patients, for asymptomatic patients we have detected them in special drive and early detection. Because of early detection we can provide them quality treatment in early stage of their disease. The HRD, Human Resource Development's COVID cell, DCP HQ2 is designated as nodal officer, and to assist me, PI Human Resource Development was there. Special COVID-19 cell was formed for Thane Police, comprising 4 police constables, and there were 5 lady constables. We have deliberately taken more lady constables to contact with all the cops. This HRD COVID-19 cell is working very hard to provide proper guidance to COVID-19 infected police officers and men for admission in hospitals, as well as to provide them medicines and also to take care of their families in this hard time. Some good works are given here. Increase availability of cashless beds for cops. It is very important thing. I think we have done good work here, because Thane Police is in coordination with the DGP office. We are succeeded to impanel to more hospitals under MPKY scheme. MPKY scheme is the Maharashtra Police Kutumba Arogya Yojana, in which the cops and their family members get cashless treatment, and it resulted no delay in getting treatment to police officers without any financial issue. Vaccination campaign is also a good work. Earlier we have told that mask is the best vaccine before the vaccination, before February, but Thane is the first unit in Maharashtra who has started vaccination in early stage at police headquarter ground. Nursing staff was not available for vaccination, but we have taken nursing staff. One of our lady constable was has done nursing course. We have taken her for vaccination, as well some family members who have done vaccination staff. They are also doing good work in our vaccination center. This center total 1466 police officers, men and their family members are vaccinated here. We are trying to provide vaccination them at government center also. Total 95.51% of Thane City cops has taken first dose as well as second dose by 84.28%. Actually, the cops we have not taken vaccination due to medical reasons. Some are pregnant ladies, some are lactating mothers, or the cops who are doctor has suggested not to take the vaccine. The work of yes sir.
You have to conclude now.
Ji sir. Sir, we have tried to provide remdesivir, tocilizumab, itolizumab, as well as amphotericin B in time. Monetary compensation we have provided to them. The proposals has been sent to DG office. One blood donation camp was taken by us, in which 130 cops has donated the blood. And lastly, I want to tell you the outcomes that this COVID-19 pandemic, we have done very good work as compared to first wave. Second wave is it has shown good results into for the cops. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Good. In fact, I have no questions. Mohanji, you can ask. Bhushanji, you can ask.
No, I think they have done a very good exercise because I've been following the Thane district. I think it has been one of the worst affected districts in Maharashtra over the last, both during the first phase and the first wave and the second wave. It was only, in fact, the total number of figures of Thane districts used to be many a times higher than the Mumbai city itself. They were next only to Pune and later on to some of the other districts. So I think what was really needed and what they have done, the police force is extremely important and their welfare is extremely important, next only to the medical and the paramedical staff. And I think what they have done is an excellent thing because unless and until the police force is there in proper shape, the law and order and other things cannot be managed. And especially in the second wave, I think they have achieved excellent results. My congratulations to them. All the best. Thank you.